All right, what's going on today, guys? Jason Wojo here. Excited to bring you guys an appointment setting script. I'm going to have multiple videos to this, so make sure you subscribe because we're going to be pushing these out over the next couple of days. So I'm going to be giving you today the appointment setting script that we use for all of our low ticket buyers. Okay, anybody who buys a low ticket product, I'm going to be going through a couple of variations of those scripts. So let's get right into this. And before we get into this, make sure you always are triple dialing a lead. So like if you're in GHL or whatever CRM you're using and someone buys, you triple dial once they buy. Okay, because some people have D&D on. So the cadence would look something like this. You call, they don't answer. You set the phone down and immediately call again. They don't answer on the second call, then you leave voicemail, text, and email. And then the script is as follows. So let's say they buy, this is an example where they bought a 60 viral video scripts from us for $10. This is one of our low ticket offers. And outbound calls, 60 viral video script buyers. Hey, is this, let's say we're just using me. Hey, is this Jason? Hey, this is Jason here. I was calling about the $10 viral video scripts that you purchased from Jason Wojo, ? And you do that because you're looking for them to then say, oh yeah, I remember that. I just want to check in with you and see if you're able to get access. I know it's easy to lose things in the inbox these days. I'm not sure if you read this on the sales page, but included in your purchase was a call with our senior advisors on helping you grow your business using paid ads or organic approach. We want to make sure you get the most out of what you purchased with us. So like this is where you're saying, hey, listen, like aren't included in that because you're going to add that as a bonus on your low ticket page, or you have it on the thank you page. So like they're on the thank you page, they're done with their purchase, they went through all the upsells and downsells. You have a page like, hey, congrats. Your order summaries below. On this page, there's a calendar where you could do X, Y, and Z to get X, Y, and Z. You wait for the person to answer. So with that being said, like, what do you think is your biggest challenge in your business with going viral on social media? So with that being said, what do you think is your biggest challenge with going viral online? It's either going to be, hey, I didn't have the right scripts, or hey, I don't have the right editing, or whatever that looks like, right? Before I even offer you a solution on this call, like I need to know if we can even help you. You wait for them to say something, and then you want to do qualification, like where are you currently revenue-wise monthly? Like where are you hoping to be in the next 6 months? The reason why you're asking this question is because you want to be able to get out of them like, hey, where do you want to be and where are you currently? So that we can find a way to bridge the gap for you. That's the whole point of having a setter. You wait for them to answer. So what are you doing right now to achieve it? So now you can find out what they're doing right now. Maybe they're doing nothing. Maybe they were doing the wrong thing, so you could point that out and diagnose it on the call. You wait for the answer. Are you looking for help with that? This is where you're getting permission. Like this is a way for you to say, like at our live events, we say, hey, do I have permission to give you guys an offer? Or are you looking for help with that? You're getting small commitments of yes on the phone to make the last yes easier, which is you said in the call. Cool. I like to book you a slot to speak with our team. Just to be transparent, so we know budget isn't an issue. When we run paid ads or do anything organic, our plans are monthly and start at anywhere from 1.5K to 4K per month. This is including ad spend. This can vary based on where you're at and where you want to be. You can raise or lower ad spend at your own accord. Now, this number is actually different, way higher now. We raised our prices. This is including ad spend. You can vary based on where you're at and where you want to be. You can raise or lower your ad spend at your own accord. Before you decide on that, I want you to know more about us. Like we spent 31 million online with paid ads, generating 120 million online across 90 plus niches and verticals. So we don't only work with one niche. Jason has been leading authority now for 5.5 years. Now it's 6 years. He has the biggest following for 1.4 million followers out of any ad partner and really puts a lot of time and attention into businesses that want a proven sales process, just like the one you're experiencing right now. Imagine if you had someone like myself calling leads within 5 minutes or having that touch point. We proved that concept to you. Ha ha. So on average, we're getting a 4-to-1 ROAS on most platforms, and we run all your traffic sources for you, set up your CRM for you, get on weekly calls with the team to harness your KPIs, and you have that full support you need to grow. We don't only run your ads. That's the point. We focus on the 4 key parts. This is where you're kind of explaining the actual product. Like you're explaining what they're about to experience on the call to give them a brief overview of why you have differentiation and what exactly you're looking to give them. And then you're going to say, hey, like with that being said, do you have any questions for me before we find a time that works for you? And then you can answer questions, build rapport, and then get them on the phone. Another example is our low ticket starter kit. Okay. Same thing in the beginning. See if you get access. I'm not sure if you read this, launch or grow your current business with a low ticket digital product using paid ads or organic approach. For a solidified time, what do you think is your biggest challenge in your business other than getting your low ticket offer out there? Before I even offer you a solution, if it even help you to get to that next level, well, running a low ticket offer is going to get you there. It allowed us to scale to 3 million a year to 7 million a year in a matter of months. So you definitely made the right decision. We're at 48 team members. It's actually 56 now. And we also just launched our event business. A lot of stuff going on here, and want as many people as possible to be part of it. Wait for answer or feedback. They might say, oh, awesome, that's cool. Like, I've seen the ads for that. So in regards to the biggest challenge, would you want help with overcoming that challenge? Cool, I have a couple of slots on our calendar to speak with our senior advisors. Would you be opposed to getting on that call I talked about earlier and seeing how we can support you? Okay, just to be transparent so we know budget isn't an issue. Like, this is where you're going back into the whole budget thing and you're making it like a lot easier for them to be committed to a call. Yeah, I mean, this is just how it's going to look, right? You also want to confirm the time too, and you also want to how they say assume the sale, you want to assume the time. So here, so how does it sound? Can you do X time? You're actually assuming the call, because if they say yes at the time, then they're committed. Then you could book it. Congrats, you congratulate them, and then you can go into hey, this is what it looks like. Here's what we've done, blah, 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 so that you don't get them to book and then they get remorse and say, you know what, I'm actually not available at that time, because you're not showing any social proof. You're not showing any value of why you should even take the call seriously. A big thing too with appointment setting off Low Ticket is that the show rates are going to be massively higher because they bought something. You've talked to them already and you're getting confirmation from them. So that's why setting calls from Low Ticket is massively important. And these are just 2 good scripts that you guys can use to set more calls from Low Ticket. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching. You guys have been awesome. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.